Hello, you're watching financial news on InstaForex TV with me, Marina Generalova. In 2014, the key trend recorded in most global markets has been volatility growth. The news headlines frequently caused for alarm among investors, though the world community has been threatened with the breakout of the new world war amid the Ukrainian political crisis, slowdown of the global economy, as well as the growing menace of Ebola spreading around the earth. Besides, the list of the geopolitical tensions includes capture of towns in Iraq and Syria by ISIL militants and Israel's airstrikes over the Gaza Strip. Despite steady growth of the US economy, Wall Street stock markets have been on a roller coaster for a few times. Nevertheless, Dow Jones Industrial Average is ending the year at a record high, so it is hovering around the historical high at 18,000 points. Sell-off of US stocks was triggered by the panic among European investors few times. First, it was caused by fears about the banking crisis amid troubled report from Portugal's Banco Espírito Santo. Then the panic took place because of the snap political and parliamentary elections in Greece. In October, markets worried about possible slowdown of the US economy. However, the fears did not come true in the light of the latest strong data. In December, the focus again shifted towards Russia, as it suffered the abrupt crash of the ruble. In 2014, the Russian currency lost almost 40% of its value. The ruble reached the ultimate low in late November, early December. The ruble crash was driven by a slump in oil prices and higher speculative activity. Following the ruble plunge, the Russian RTS index measured in the US dollars also went into a nosedive, losing 45.2%. Among European countries, Greece's stock index plummeted about 30%, while Spain's indicator fell 26.8%. Stock indices in France and Germany stayed almost flat during 2014, while the British FTSE is finishing December in the red the first time since 2011. The indicator of the largest European stock exchange sank 3% during the year. It was financial news on InstaForex TV. InstaForex TV team wishes you a happy new year. Bye, see you later.